after the prayers.
Really?
Guys, this
I've
is
got you covered.
pepper, my
Wow,
pepper
look at
tree.
all this.
So I'm using
People are
a
actually
little
removing
soap
things
water
from
with
their
a
body.
little tip of bleach to kill the white flies.
Wow, thank
That's what
you,
I'm
Jesus.
doing now.
Hallelujah. And if you were not
Getting the
focused
leaf
when I was praying,
with
you
it.
can always go back when you are focused and watch it. But make sure you watch it today before you go to sleep. All right?
This is
Make sure you watch it today before you go to sleep.
red pepper tree.
And whenever you are free like this, those enemies that send the attack, oh my God, everything is
So I
going
think
back
that's
to them.
enough. I'm gonna put
All the attack
some
is going back to
Irish
them.
peel on the root.
Oh
I just
my
peeled these
God,
just
this
now.
is amazing.
So I'm putting them
Look at
on
all
the
these
roots of the
comments. There's so many
plant.
people. Though. The numbers just increase.
And the breakdown,
Increase the moment I started praying.
plant will benefit from it.
Wow. Wow. Thank you, Jesus. Hallelujah. For those who are led to give an offering, this is the information to give.
Eventually break
The
down
PayPal or the Cash App.
and
Beware of scammers, guys. I don't
the
message
plant will
people.
get benefits.
If somebody
from
is
it.
messaging you, asking you to sow a seed to an orphanage,
Even if
not
it's
me.
dry,
It's some
I
trust
still
I somewhere
believe
in
that it
Africa
will still
trying to get your money.
do
Don't
some
send them
good to the
nothing.
plant.
Wow, look at this. I am free. That's why my family are free. Wow. Oh my God. Oh my God. Some of you will sleep so well there.
There you go, guys.
Some of you will be so hungry
That's my
right now.
pepper tree.
Like you haven't eaten.
Go on.
Thanks for watching, guys. This is a bird pepper tree, and putting these around it to give it nourishment. Even if they're dry, it will still break down and the plant will get some benefits. So there you go, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe.